Meaning of hiatus.
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 Hiatus. The word hiatus refers to a break or interruption, particularly in a regular activity or process. It is often used to describe a pause or discontinuity in a recurring event, such as a television show or a sports season, or in a person's work or creative output. The term can also refer to a gap or space that occurs naturally or intentionally within a physical object or structure. Overall, hiatus implies a temporary cessation or postponement of something that is expected to resume at a later time.